Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to schedule messages on Telegram. It's very simple, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the Telegram application on your mobile phone, then open the chat in which you want to schedule messages. After that you will see messages bar in the bottom, so tap on it, then type your message. After typing the message, tap and hold on this send button. Then you will see three options. Here select the first option, schedule message. After that select time, date and day for the message when you want the message to be sent. Then tap on send in the bottom. Here you can see the scheduled message section, scheduled on December 4. It means your message is scheduled. Now go back and you will see this icon. This is the scheduled messages icon. Tap on it and you will see your scheduled messages. You can also delete your scheduled messages. To delete, simply tap and hold on it. Then tap on this bin icon on the top right corner and select delete. So this is how you can schedule messages on Telegram quickly.